Faith is an action. Using faith is what brings the results. Money has to go out to bring you what you want. Faith is used as a medium of exchange. You use faith to get what you want, but to get it, you have to release it. We have to understand what is faith, the definition of it, and the understanding of it. Then we also will have to understand how to get it, because if faith is like money, you have to understand what money is first. You know, if you've never seen money and I even give you 100,000 US, you'll be wondering, what is this? And you have a jiko there, 100,000 for the jiko. You will use it to wash a jiko, because to you it doesn't have value, because you don't know it. It is of no importance because you don't recognize it. So you must recognize what faith is. The same way we should recognize what money is, right? So after knowing what money is, what faith is, we should know how to get it. After knowing how to get it, we should know how to use it. Because getting money does not mean you will get what you want. How many old men, I won't say from which side of the country, they have money, but they have no shoes? You're laughing. How many have money but they have one coat? So they have it, but they are not using it. So having faith does not scare the devil. Having faith does not push you forward. Having faith does not give you results. You're surprised. Having faith does not give you results. And you won't get anything in any market because you have a lot of money. You will get what you want by producing the money, releasing the money. So you have to release your faith. Those are the corresponding actions of faith, without which God says your faith is dead. It is there, but it's inactive. It's not working. So it won't benefit you. It won't bring you your desires. But you have it. The problem with many Christians is they have faith. You're not supposed to have faith for something. If you still have faith for something, it means that thing is still on the shelf. You have to produce your faith with actions. Then you will get that thing. Your faith should go out, not remain in. Money has to go out to bring you what you want. So money is used to get you something. And it's used as a means or medium of exchange. So in the spiritual realm, faith is used as a medium of exchange. You use faith to get what you want, but to get it, you have to release it. You can't go to a shop. You could be those guys with the brown coats. One side is like this. Not because it's old. It's money that you never use. And you do shopping, and then you start telling them, I have a lot of money. They'll say, okay, pay. Using faith is what brings the results. You're told faith without works is dead. So unless you use it, therefore it comes to the understanding of faith that faith is an action.